Okay, here's the video of the engine running and idling. It's warmed up. Even though it's cold outside, it's not as cold in the garage because it's got heat and it's insulated. There you have it. Notice the heat riser counterweight giving a little flutter once in a while. She's not idling smooth. She's idling not bad, but certainly not as smooth as she should be. There you have it. I adjusted the points today. They're a little narrow. New plugs, wires. Runs well. Accelerates well. Runs and accelerates well. For idle is a little off. And I'm going to attribute this to a stuck exhaust valve, and I'm almost going to bet it's in the first 3 cylinders. Without a compression check, I won't be able to verify